really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you.
Quality Yard and Home is fantastic. They are truly the best folks around, and my yard tech, Austin, is my favorite. Austin does an incredible job keeping my yard in tip-top shape. My neighbors started getting jealous, and they want the same services.
We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.